another busy day. It's been a busy week. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah if you're new here. Please subscribe. Vlogmas is coming. I've literally been thinking about Vlogmas all morning. I just got ready. It's like 7:40-ish. And I need to leave at 7:48 to go tutor. But I thought I would start the vlog this morning because it's Thursday. It's almost Friday. Sorry, my laundry is everywhere. I just wanted to vlog today because I don't know, I just felt like I should vlog. It's been a busy week. I've had so much work every single day this week and it's not stopping, so that's awesome. I wanted to take you guys along on my day. I'm a tutor. I'm starting my own business. I'm doing YouTube. It's almost Vlogmas. It's the best time of year. It's the holiday season. And I'm so excited. So yeah, I need to go get a coffee. Not get a coffee. I need to go make coffee and head out. So, good morning. Let's have a great day. So, they were out of Stokes this week at the grocery store. So, I've been trying this Starbucks medium roast iced coffee. And it's alright. You know, it's a little bit bitter. But I just do a lot of almond milk. And it does the job. But I'm definitely missing my Stokes. And I cannot open this with one hand. Oh. This is why you shouldn't vlog and do this. Normally before I tutor, I'll have like an apple and then I come, because I bring her back here, so I'll just have breakfast here. This morning my stomach really hurts. I have something a little more. I'm gonna have one of these Cliff bars, so like the Cliff minis. And normally I'll have them like before I go to the gym in the morning. I have this morning because my stomach just is like not feeling the best. I wanted to show you Ray Dunn like checklist thing. I just write like everything I need to get down for the week. I'll do this on the weekend too, so Dylan can see too what we need to get done. And that's been working so far. If I write it down at the beginning of the week, it's like I need to get everything done. A lot of it needs to get done today, but it's fine. It's all good. This lighting's a little bit ugh. I'm back from dropping the girl I tutor off and I just went to our mailbox and our friend Tom dropped off this fidget spinner. Wait, how does it work? Wait, is it a bottle opener too? It says Boys Club Brewing. So thanks, Tom. That's so funny. I'm gonna have to text him. But I just got back. It's really cold out now. It was so nice earlier. Now I need to go put on like 7 more layers. There we go. I need to text Tom. Tom, are these for sale? Can the subscribers buy some? Your girl needs to get some work done. I wanted to show you this. I have a subscription to what is it called? Chat books. And so I get one of these monthly books. And they're $5 and they're just like these little books and I put like all of my pictures from the month in them. I have them for like a year now because I started it like last summer. My camera died and I was charging, but Dylan's home and we're having lunch. I just made stir fry. He's having chowder. And I just want to update you because I'm going to meet Julia to get some work done. I'm vlogging today.
It's a poopy day out.
It is. It got really cold too. It was really warm this morning. I'm on my way to go meet Julia. I'm listening to Pretty Basic episode with Emma Chamberlain. It's so gross out. It's so cold and rainy, making me so tired. Oh, we lost you. All I want to do is go crawl in my bed and go to sleep. But we gotta keep going. It's Thursday. It's almost Friday. We can do it. I'm telling myself this right now. I'm so tired. I've had such a long week, but it's okay. I honestly don't feel that great today. I feel better now, but like every time I get hungry, I feel like nauseous and I don't know what's going on. So that's cute. Alright, just got here. I need to pay for parking. I don't know if Julia's here yet or not. I just have like the parking app on my phone and I've been paying for parking because I got a ticket a few weeks ago paying in like what I thought was free parking, and like I've parked in there before and it's been free no problem, but there was this one time it wasn't free. I don't know what happened, but I had to pay $25, so I'm gonna pay $4.85 instead and just pay for parking like a good citizen. Made it inside. Music is so loud. Wait, Julia came adding. We got instead of like pumpkin-y candles. Things like that. So I'm getting some work done. I'm getting ready to head out. Bye, Julia. Get some work done. Make some money tonight. I will see you next week. Heading home. It's like almost 3:30. I'm just so tired today. I need to go home and like lay down. Hi guys, I put on comfy clothes, aka my pajamas. Really have big PJs on. I'm gonna have a little bit of popcorn. It's like 4 o'clock, but my stomach's just off today. So I'm gonna have this, watch some YouTube, and just chill for once. Making some orange chicken.
I'm on.
Trader Joe's frozen section kind of night. All right, I'm gonna let him make that. Tell me again.
This is art.
You're gonna surround it with...
I want to surround it with art. More art.
Okay, well this is what we're having for dinner. Trader Joe's jasmine fried rice. Trader Joe's orange chicken.
All homemade.
Yeah, Dylan slaved over it all day. Didn't you see him here in the kitchen slaving?
Yeah. I mean, you gotta admit that like kind of looks cool.
Alright guys, my camera's downstairs, but I just got out of the shower and I'm going to self-tan tonight. This is the tanner I use. It's the Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. I get it in the ultra dark, and I've tried a lot of different tanners. This is the one I originally started with, and I tried a bunch of different ones because they were cheaper or whatever, and I'm back to this one. It's just like good old reliable. It is a little more expensive, but I feel like it's worth it. I have the Loving Tan Mitt, which this one is a game changer. Never buy the like cheap ones at Ulta. This one is just like the best, and you can wash it and then it's like brand new again. Order it on the Loving Tan website if you have like the time to wait for shipping, because they always give you like a free gift or like give you a promo code in your email. I got this as a free gift. This last time I ordered this stuff, I got a sample of their deluxe gradual tanning lotion. I would definitely recommend, if you have the time to order online, do that because you usually get a free gift. I'm going to tan. I just scrubbed off like all my tanner. I'm so pale right now. Honestly, I go to bed because I don't even know what time it is, but I realized that there's gonna be no video on Saturday because I simply do not have time. This video is probably going up after that, so you can go watch the week in my life because that's the video that I'm talking about. I'm gonna tan and then head to bed, and I'll maybe pick up this up tomorrow. Like really, as I get older, I'm like, good morning guys, it's Friday. Happy Friday. It's the end of the week. That's so exciting. Another busy day, doesn't stop yet. I'm getting my coffee ready. I'm about to head out the door to go tutor, and then this afternoon I need to shoot more photos. It's gonna be like a whole project in itself because I bought like a backdrop. Do you know how like when you take school pictures or you see like photography, it's like this big stand and like a white backdrop? Yeah, I bought that. I need to iron the like actual material part, and I realized this morning, like, you know how your alarm goes off? Well, for me, I have 2 alarms, so like the first one went off and I was like kind of awake, kind of asleep, and I was like, I don't have an ironing board. I just asked my mom for the iron, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Like, can you iron stuff not on an ironing board? We'll see how it turns out. If it doesn't work out, I'll just wait. We're gonna try. And tonight, I think our friend Tom's gonna come over. We're gonna hang out, play some games, chat. We haven't seen him in a little bit, so it'll be nice to catch up. But it's Friday. Hi guys, it's a lot later now. It's 1:30. Had a little thing happen where my car was making a weird noise, and I'm supposed to drive my grandparents to the airport on Sunday, so I brought it to my mechanic, and he was like, it's your brake pad, needs to be done now. I was like, awesome. And so now he's doing that, and I'm a little stressed out because I just put $400 in my car. I wasn't really planning on this, but that's why we save money, folks, so that when things with your car happen, because they always do, you have something put away for it. I'm gonna try to set up this backdrop thing, and I'm not gonna put pressure on myself to get all the pictures done today. I just need to like figure out how it's set up, and if I set it up and want to take pictures, awesome. I've literally put so much stress on myself this week that I need to not do that. So I'm gonna try to get it set up. I'm gonna blast some music, so I'm gonna show you me setting it up, and we're gonna figure it out. Wait.
touch this, ayy, rich shit, put a limp, shit, ayy, pimp shit, about money, yeah, cash shit, ayy.
So I set it up. It's literally huge. High. That would literally take up my whole living room. I'm going to put it back away and do it next week because I was just telling my mom that I haven't felt good the last 2 days and I need to like take a nap and relax before I get myself physically sick from being so stressed out and go. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. If you need to take a break, you need to take a break. I'm going to do that. I'll probably like take a nap till like 3:30. Hi guys, I just got my car back. Dylan brought me to get it. Everything's all set. He like said that he went through and checked just to make sure it wasn't anything else, and it was just the brakes. So good thing I got them fixed because he said if I kept going any further, it wasn't gonna be good. Forgot my vlog camera, but we came to Chipotle for dinner.
I'm smiling. You can't tell.
Also with Tom.
Good?
He got Chipotle.
Hi guys, I just wanted to come on and end this vlog. It's Saturday now and I'm headed out to go to a Christmas craft fair with my mom. I'm not gonna vlog today just because I feel like weekend vlogs are getting really repetitive, but I hope you guys enjoyed a few days of my life. Little stressful week, but it's fine. Make sure to like and subscribe. Vlogmas is coming soon. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. See you next time.